Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. What are the zeros of polynomial p of x equal to 4x cube minus 27x square plus 50x minus 24? Now we know by rational root theorem roots of this polynomial can be of the form rational roots of this polynomial can be of the form, let's say, a equal to, sorry, not a, let's call it alpha equal to d by a, where d is constant term and a is leading coefficient. And d and a are factors of this. So alpha can be of the form minus 24 by 4. Now we simply factorize this. 1 minus 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now from given options we can form 4, 2, 3 and 3 by 4 rational roots from using this theorem. So option A immediately cancels out because we cannot form 4 by 3 root using 4 by 3 root for this particular polynomial. So option A cancels out because 4 by 3 cannot be a root. So to check for option B and C, 4 and 2 are already present in both the options. So we'll check for 3 and 3 by 4. So let's first check for 3 by 4. Let's first check for 3. So let's see, p of x is given as 4x cube minus 27x square plus 50x minus 24. So if p of 3 equal to 0, then we can say x equal to 3 is root by factor theorem and remainder theorem. That is, if p of 3 equal to p of 3 will give remainder of the division, and if it is equal to 0, then this particular is uh, root of the given polynomial. So what we can say, by factor theorem remainder should be equal to 0. So let's look for it. Let's check. So p of 3 equal to 4 multiplied by 3 cube minus 27 multiplied by 3 square plus 50 multiplied by 3 minus 24. So let's put 4 multiplied by 3 cube plus 50 multiplied by 3 positive numbers together and negative numbers together. So we have this. So let's see. We can take 3 into 2 common out here. So we get 6 multiplied by 2 into 3 square is 18 plus 25 as positive part of the remainder. And let's see, we can take only 3 common out here. So we have 9 into 9, 81 plus 8 in the bracket. So this is positive part, this is negative part. So let's evaluate. 6 multiplied by 8 plus 5 is 13, 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 3 multiplied by 89. Now this is not equal to 0. P of 3 is not equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 3 is not a root of p of x. So B is also not the option. So let's see if 4 and 3 by 4 are the roots. So let's check if 4 and 3 by 4 are the roots. So let's see. Uh, if x if x equal to 4, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3 by 4, these are the root. If these are the roots, then what we will have? Then we will have x minus 4, x minus 2 and 4x minus 3 will be factors by factor theorem. By factor theorem. So let's see. Let's look at x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by 4x minus 3. So this should give us polynomial px. So let's check that. X square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 multiplied by 4x minus 3. So x square minus 6x plus 8 multiplied by 4x plus minus 3. So let's see, we have 4x cube and x square terms will be minus 3x square and minus 6 fours are 24x square. So minus 24 minus 3 is minus 27. So minus 27x square. Then x terms will be, let's see, 6 threes are 18 plus 18x and 8 fours are 32. So plus 32x. So that will be 18x plus 32x is plus 50x and constant term will be minus 24. So minus 24. Now this is nothing but which is equal to given polynomial p of x. Therefore x equal to 4, 2 and 3 by 4 are required roots. So let's look at the options. So answer is option C.